Hello, darlings.
Hi, everybody. So this one's a really quick one, and it's about, are the Superlight bikes worth the money? Yeah, it's been a big discussion on a lot of the Brompton forums, the Brompton groups, and it depends. I mean, I normally say it depends if you're male or female, if you're what you want the bike for. Okay, so maybe you want your Brompton to be just in the caravan or just to like in the back of the car, or maybe you're a lorry driver and you just want the bike to be taken out and driven to the next shops or whatever when you've got a chance. Or maybe it's something like I used to do, or I was doing, teaching English as a foreign language in people's homes, so in their apartments. So how that worked out was I would basically go to their homes before the whole corona thing bomb, that works, doesn't it? Anyway, before that I would go and explain things to them, but I'd be taking my bike with me. Now, a lot of these homes were 4 flights up, and for English for 45 minutes, 4 flights up, 4 flights down, and carrying a steel Brompton. Well, I'm sorry, my wrists have been smashed quite a few times from, I used to box, and so my hands are basically little snapped splinters of bone within flesh. But anyway, so that was quite difficult for me. So I have always been a fan now of the titanium bikes because like the 2-speed bike, the 2-speed raw bike you saw in my other video, if you haven't seen that, go and watch it after you watch this one. If you want to, thank you. And that's only 9.6 kilos, and this one is only 10.4 kilos, and this is a 6-speed bike. It's also super light. How do you know the difference between a super light titanium bike and a steel one? Well, normally, if you look on this rear triangle here, and the front forks, if you see them, they'll be like a matte silver colour, and that's how you know. It used to have the old sticker, which was like an oval shape, a filled in oval shape with Brompton written in the middle. Now they just have the normal sticker, but I recommend them for me, anyone in my situation. I don't want to go and say I recommend them for women, because then I'm going to get people saying, well, I'm stronger than you. What? Yeah, I don't want that. But if you're not a strong person, it's absolutely useless for somebody to say to you, well, lose weight. Yeah, you could, if you lost 6 pounds, then you'd be lighter than the 6 pounds you lose in the weight difference between the steel and the titanium. It doesn't work like that. It really doesn't work like that. If you're carrying the bike around, even like, for example, Paris, if you've got the Navigo card and you're traveling around Paris and you want to take the bike with you, the amount of steps, the amount of walking you're going to do with the bike is absolutely horrendous. So taking a titanium bike is basically a brilliant option. Also, for example, my brother works in the School of Tropical Medicine in Liverpool, and there's lots of flights of stairs there too to get up and down in rush hour. And it's a pain in the backside when you're carrying a steel bike, for example, let's say a 6-speed steel Brompton, and it's what, 12, nearly 13 kilos, and somebody bashes into you and you get that nerve stuck in your backside, you know what I mean? The sciatic nerve or whatever, which has happened to me in the past. But with the titanium Bromptons, they are lighter, that extra kilo lighter or 500 grams lighter. I did do 2 other videos on this with the exact measurements in it, but it does make a difference. It really makes a difference if you're not as strong as a big guy. I mean, you could say, are you as strong as The Rock? or are you as strong as Moana? You know, it depends. You're not Maui. Maui's different than Moana. You see the difference there? So yeah. It depends on you. It really, really depends on you. But for me personally, or if you're getting older, I definitely recommend getting a super light bike. Really do. Okay. Hope this helps. Hope this put on a different variant, a different, point on the steel versus titanium, because really it has nothing to do with how much you weigh. It depends on how strong you are, if you've got arthritis or rheumatoid arthritis or some other problems that might make carrying a heavy bike difficult for you. Really recommend putting the extra cash into the bike and getting a super light. Okay, hope this helps. Hope you like the video, and I really appreciate your likes, and I really appreciate your lovely comments. I have the nicest people following me in the world. Seriously, thank you so much. If you'd like to give me a like, as always. Oh, and there's a little notification bell somewhere there. See the little red button there? And there's like a little thing under there. It's a notification bell when I put up some new videos, which I've got a lot done, but I just haven't put them up. But I will be. I will be. And if you can just hit that, just touch it lightly, And any comments, let me know in the comments below, and I'll get right back to you. I always do. All right, you take care, and I will see you next time or on the Brompton pages. All right, bye-bye. Bye.